what you're doing.
Yeah, I'm gonna do red and black. Have you ever been a Big Biscuit?
Big Biscuit, I don't think so.
Well, they have this wall that's pallets, but
Okay.
they have, this is stain, but then they have some of them red and some of them black and just old looking, so that's Stop snowing.
Is it snowing? Yes, it's snowing.
It was.
It's not right.
It's pretty from in here.
Yeah, well, it's because it's warm in here.
Yeah.
It's the baseboard.
Okay, so all of this is baseboard, and this was cut out of cedar slabs, I guess. Yeah.
And there's door trim and window trim too in here, but it'll be better.
Yeah.
I don't know. Now that I see that, I think I might want to put some of that on there. I don't know.
On
The dry brush.
oh, dry brush onto this stuff.
Trim.
Yeah. So Randy said he was the one that ordered the snow.
Yeah. You gotta have snow once a year.
Well, you should have ordered it with like the great big snowflakes like that.
Yeah.
There were some